The Mi A2 is an Android One phone and has a full metal unibody design with a thin bezeled 18:9 Full HD display. The phone comes in 5 color variants: black, blue, red, gold and rose gold. The Mi A2 has a 4GB RAM for seamless and smooth use and an internal memory of 64GB. The phone comes with dual nano SIM slots, both supporting 4G connectivity. The smartphone comes with a large 5.99-inch screen and lets you watch high-resolution videos and play games in Full HD. You can also unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor on the back. The Mi A2 features an AI-powered 12-megapixel plus 20-megapixel dual rear camera with Sony sensors. It also has a 20-megapixel front camera for clear photos. The Mi A2 runs on stock Android Oreo and is a part of Google's Android One program, which brings AI-powered innovations and security protections and 2 years of operating system upgrades. This ensures that the phone will always get updates whenever a new Android is ready. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor, making it suitable for multitasking and high-end gaming. The phone has a 3010 mAh lithium polymer battery. The Mi A2 comes with a Type-C to audio adapter, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide and a soft case. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.
An Amazon exclusive.